Good morning, children. This is a revision class for lesson number 3 of Essay 1 exams. Clever, Tenali Raman. Complete these sentences with the correct pronouns. First one. Your bag is on the table. This one is dash. Options are my and mine. Pronouns. What are the pronouns? The word which is used instead of a noun is known as a pronoun. So the answer is mine. M-I-N-E, mine. Second one. Dash will meet you at the station. Please wait for dash. I will meet you at the station. Please wait for me. Now third one. I have lost my pen. Please help me find. The options are it and its. It is it. Fourth one. Alpa lost her book yesterday. This must be dash. Yours or hers. Who lost? A girl lost. It should be hers. Alpa lost her book yesterday. This must be hers. Fifth one. We gave them our phone number and they gave us dash. Theirs or their. The answer is theirs. 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 Sixth one. Sanchit and Titus are not coming. Dash don't really like parties. They don't really like parties. Circle the correct demonstrative pronoun. First one. That or this is our principal over there. There means you are pointing the object which is far. So that is that. That is our principal over there. Now second one. This or these is my cap and this or that is your cap over there on the shelf. The object which is near we use this. Object which is far that. So this is my cap and that is your cap over there on the shelf. Now third one. Those or these are my friends standing there in the park. In the park. So you are not standing in the park. You are somewhat far away from the park. So we say as those. Those are my friends standing there in the park. Fourth one. Are those or these your clothes here? Here means these. Are these your clothes here? Fifth one. This or that is Matt's house over there. That is Matt's house over there. Sixth one. Whose shoes are dash? Whose shoes are these? More than one. So we use these. Use un, im or in to form opposites of these words. So the first one is even, even, even. So we write it as uneven, un, even, uneven. Second one, complete. The answer is incomplete. Third one, possible, impossible. Fourth one, comfortable, uncomfortable. Fifth one, visible, invisible. Sixth one, perfect, imperfect. Now use those sentences to complete these sentences. Complete these sentences with the opposites of the words in the box. Polite, complete, possible, tidy, visible, comfortable. First one. She could not finish her answers on time. Her exam paper remained dash. That is incomplete. She could not finish her answers on time. Her exam paper remained incomplete. Second one. Rehan's mother has asked him to clean his room. It was very dash. Rehan's mother asked him to clean his room. It was very untidy. Third one. His bed is too soft. It is very dash to sit on. Uncomfortable. This bed is too soft. It is very uncomfortable to sit on. Third one. Now fourth one. On drinking the magic potion, the man started fading away. He was becoming dash. On drinking the magic potion, the man started fading away. He was becoming invisible. Fifth one. It is dash to leave the table before everybody has finished the meal. Impolite. It is impolite to leave the table before everybody has finished the meal. Sixth one. Humans are yet to travel to the sun. Such a journey seems dash. Humans are yet to travel to the sun. Such a journey seems impossible. This was our revision for lesson number 3.